McGran. Uh, Good to see you, Mike. Gary, how do we search only duplexes where each side has at least three bedrooms? I was working with a multi-family search, but unsure how to narrow to duplexes only. So oh, Kurt, I'm sorry, I didn't see your chat in time. But Kurt, were you able to get to the panel I
No,
was showing you?
no, I'm not sure what window you're in for the map and every for the search.
Oh, all right, let me go back there real quick. And I'll do the search for Michael while
Thank
we're
you.
there. You're very welcome. Yeah. Good to see you, man.
Yeah, good to be here.
Yeah. So what I did is when I first logged in, I came over here to the left to
Yep,
bring up the menu, and
yep.
I clicked on lead pipes.
Okay, lead pipes. Okay.
Yep, and then property leads.
Ah, got it. Okay, that's what I was missing.
You're no worries. Yeah, and then you can. So Kurt, where you are you? How big is the township where you are? What's the population?
The town that I'm in is 7,000.
Okay. Is it? I would maybe start with the county where you are.
Okay.
Yeah, see if that doesn't give you, it's okay if it's 20,000 or something, just as long as you're can try to get over 10,000. So, all right, now let me type in a zip code, Michael, where I'm pretty sure there's some duplexes. Okay, 15229. Well, let me turn off all these things, Mike. I'm sorry. I'm going to turn off low equity, and I've got to take care of the filters. So, if here's what I can do, Mike. I'm going to just go into the filters right out of the gate. All right, and I'm going to go in here. Hang on one second. I'm going to uncheck. Well, let me do this. Let me go down to the property features. I'll do it there. So it'll make more sense. All right, property features. I'm going to uncheck single, condo, townhome, apartment, and other. And I'm only going to leave multifamily. Okay. I'm going to take off the interest rate that I put in there in the loan type FHA. So now I've got only the multifamily. All right. Now let me go back up for foreclosure, previous sale information, listing information, mortgage information, owner types. We'll leave that alone. And here's the property types. We got multifamily. And Mike, I don't see where you can put in there only duplex. It's going to give you all multifamily. So that means I don't believe you can say, um, well, if you want, Mike, did you say you wanted three bedrooms per unit?
Yes, sir.
Let me go back. Oh, thank you. Right. So what I would do here, I would put minimum six bedrooms in. Okay. Because that would mean if it's a duplex, having six bedrooms means you've got some combination of either three and three or four and two, but that's probably your best bet of getting the units with the highest number of bedrooms. Now you will pick up multifamily up to including fourplexes. Remember, this is a residential search. So technically five and above would be a commercial, you know? But let's just for grins, let's see what we got here so far. So we chose six bedrooms or more, multifamily only. And let's go back. Oh, 316 is the search results. Let's click on that. So you got 316 of them. That's quite a bit. Um, you can see here's one with eight bedrooms and four bathrooms, Nazareth Way. So the only thing I can think of doing, Mike, is I don't think you want to contact all these people. Actually, there's 35. I'm sorry. I would contact 35 because it's between 20 and 50. Now, can you, does it have to be duplex? Do you have a client who would be happy with fourplexes and triplexes too?
The problem is say a fourplex and it's two bedrooms per unit, four units, that's eight. So that's above six, but she's wanting where each unit has three minimum. And so budget wise, it would have to be a duplex. And then the layout or configuration has to be 3 bedrooms per side. So that's the confusion, is how to get rid of the fourplexes, which will show up as 8 bedrooms.
Let's do this. Let's pull up Nazareth Way and get the details. Let's see if the details has that
I,
in there.
I I think as an extra filter, just talking this through with you, I'll just do 6 to 6 on the bedrooms,
Okay,
because that's going to limit it to that might be the way to get the 3 bedroom duplexes.
it's actually a
Um,
good idea. Yeah. Um, okay. Yeah, because this isn't telling me the number of units even in the details. So that's okay. By the way, I actually know the order that the sister of the Holy Family of Nazareth. So actually, we did some charitable work with them several years ago. They do a lot for the community. But in any case, so that says 101 to 105. Um, that's interesting. Let's go back and pull up
That's a
the one before it.
fourplex.
Yeah, I
And you
agree.
could tell
That's
too, it
probably
also has 4 baths. Two
Yep,
unit, two bedrooms, 1 bath, each of them.
yep. Well, here now this one does say 2 units, Mike, right in there. 6 beds, 3 baths, 1,800 square feet, 2 units, multifamily. So what I'm wondering, is there a place we can type in free text, like free form text? Um, I don't think it's going to be in here. So let's check under filters. Where else? Search filters, clear,
Yeah,
showability.
under listing information, they have property keywords. I don't know if listing information is MLS listing or if it's this property entry.
Yeah, it is going to probably come from the MLS. Let's just put this in duplex. I wonder if we can, if we put another one in there, is it going to be a and or a or? Let's just put in 2 unit. Because we already know we have one that says 2 unit. And then let's save these filters. It's going to say that that's okay. I don't mind doing that. Let's go back up and see if it changes the search results now. As we put that in their keywords for listings. Oh, you know
Yeah,
what we have to do?
I'm worried because it says days on the market to the right, and maybe that's because this has some capability of searching active MLS listings
Yeah.
somehow.
Well, you know what? If when I clicked active listing, it means it's trying to find something with the active listing and has the keyword 2 unit in the description. So this property is probably not actively listed. In fact, we're going to find out here in a second.
On
So
my
that was
search, one of the properties that I just got results for,
Yep.
very first one said it was an active listing. So I think
Yeah.
if it's active in the MLS right now, it'll show up that way.
It does.
Correct. You're right. But like this one here is not actively listed. You can see in there lead flow types, it's not an actively lit. Otherwise, it would say actively listed under lead flow types. So I think your idea is a good idea, Mike. Also, one of the things we can do, a little bit extra work, but let's say you've got a potential 35 properties. Just go into your county property website, type in each property address one at a time. If it really has to be only duplexes, I would take the extra step and do that. If there's more flexibility, I wouldn't worry about it. I would just provide them all the multifamily because most investors I know, they'd be happy with a fourplex if they can get it versus a duplex. They can make the stretch because the cash flow is going to be better. And if you have a vacancy, you're still probably cash flow over 3 units.